Hi, I'm Tim Schutte, Product and Application Specialist for Epiroc. Today we're going to demonstrate how to use this brand new VC cutter when trenching. This is the newest design where the angles come in and there's no center hump. We're using a site that's just regular dirt just to give you an experience of how it would operate. What we're going to do is lower it down into the material and move it backwards. This size VC 2000 drum cutter works up to MPa 80 rock, solid rock, or 11,603 PSI. He's going to go down, he's going to move it back. When he goes down, it'll make a flat bottom and the trench will be straight down 40 inches wide. After he does that, show you how to make a little trench. You can use this machine just like you do an ER cutter, and he'll move it side to side. If you need to widen the trench or you're doing foundation works, highway work, or anything like that, you can know that you can use the VC just like you can the ER series drum cutters. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please consult your operator's manual and safety manual, or contact Epiroc Service Center or your local dealer.